In this video, I'm going to show you how to add workplace on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app and then right here at the top left-hand corner, tap at your profile picture to open up your profile settings and then hit at Edit Profile. Then scroll down for a bit until you find Workplace, just tap on that, and now in order to add a workplace to your profile, just hit at Add Work, and here tap at Workplace Name and just start typing your workplace name and then just select some from suggested. Also here you can left check mark currently work here, and also you can set since what time you work at that place and then just hit on save to save that changes. Now you can go back and open up your profile, and here as you can see my workplace is now set. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.